Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if this is your first time coming across my channel. Hey girl, my name is Maima. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So in today's video, we are doing a very easy glam makeup tutorial, and to start with, I am priming my eyelid with the LA Pro concealer in the shade Toffee, and I'm setting it with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And then for my transition, I used the two brown shade from the Morphe eyeshadow palette. It's a palette I use on my channel, so if you watch my videos, then you should know the palette Abby. So yeah, that's that. I'm going to put those two brown shade into my transition until it becomes to show, it becomes obvious that something is there. And because I film with my phone, it doesn't have that capacity to show how pigmented something is, but I hope you guys can see it. And then I went in with a paint pot. The name of the brand has rub off, but it's a paint pot, but it's not from MAC. And yeah, after that I went in with this blue shade as my crease color, and then I tap until I get the pigment that I want. And after that I did a very big wing, and then I did my mascara. I applied my lashes later in the video, so yeah, you will see that. And then I used my concealer to cut, to sharpen up the edges of my wing. And then for my foundation, I used the Superstay foundation, and I used the beauty blender to blend it out. It gives you more coverage, and yeah, it helps it blend quick and easy, fast and easy. And then for my concealer, I used the unblemished eyeshadow, unblemished concealer. You guys, I'm in a rush. Unblemished concealer for my under eye and then the bridge of my nose, and that's all I did. And I kind of used the leftover on the beauty blender to do my forehead, my cupids, and then my chin. And then for my blush, I used the lipstick from Love Cosmetics. And to set my under eye, I didn't do cream contour. So to set my under eye, I used the black opal setting powder to set my highlighted areas. And then I used the micolor cosmetics powder palette, and then I used a skin tone color to set the rest of my face. And then I did my bronzer with the darkest shade in the palette. And yeah, I did my blush also from the same palette. It has a very pinkish blush and it's very beautiful. So after that, I set my face, so it gives the makeup some more staying power. And then I did my lipstick. It's very simple, but like it's glam. I did my lip liner, which is the Miss Laurate brown eye/lip liner. And then from the micolor cosmetics lipstick palette, I did this nudish pink on my lips. It's just a basic nude pink that I do all the time. And then to highlight my face, I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and then I used the shade Golden Amber. To highlight, I did the sides of my cheek, the highest point of my cheek, right? I did the bridge of my nose. I did my forehead, cupids, and then my chin area. This is more like a glow something. I don't know how to say. It makes you glow. It doesn't make you feel like there's a highlighter on my face, but it just makes you look like I'm glowing. Yeah. So that's what I did, and then I applied some lip gloss, clear lip gloss actually, on my lips. and then I did my lashes off camera, and this is the look. It's very simple but very, very glam. Apart from the eyes, you can do this technique for everyday makeup. So yeah, with the exception of the highlighter, because your everyday makeup, I don't think you want to be shining like this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye, and I'll see you in my next video.